Yes, we'll continue. Yesterday concept.
Hello?
Ah, tell me,
Sir,
Sudhir.
changes upload this, sir.
Okay, okay, good, good. That's what I'm asking. Okay,
Okay.
yesterday, where we stopped in the sense Terraform state file. You know the purpose of Terraform state file. It can hold actual resource information. Now, according to this yesterday program only, there I go for CLS. There I'm applying Terraform, unit, Terraform unit. It will download the AWS cloud related plugins. Now, actually, I want to apply Terraform here. Terraform, already Terraform is there. Terraform apply. Okay. It is creating the actual resource in the cloud. That information holding in there in terraform.tf state. We'll see now. Based on that, we'll continue the discussion. Meanwhile, I'll go and get it. I'll go and get it. The cheat sheet related to Terraform. Yesterday we got it. This is Terraform cheat sheet. I think I took maybe this one. Learn Terraform CLI. Maybe this one I think yesterday we opened. Our intention is to understand Terraform state manipulation commands. These are total Terraform state manipulation commands. This one Terraform state list already we have seen yesterday. Terraform state list. See Terraform state list. Here how many resources are available? AWS instance dot my EC2VM, AWS VPC dot my VPC. These two requirements already available or not, we'll check it manually. There I'm clicking terraform.tf state, terraform.tf state. There we are checking. Here just total information is there. Total information is there. There, see AWS instance dot my EC2VM. This is one information. This is one resource. Here resources type is AWS instance. In the same way, somewhere resource, which one? AWS underscore VPC is the check it somewhere AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC. Security group. Okay. I want AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC. And type is that it is name. See, mode is manager. Manager means who created? AWS created. That is fully manager. Fully manager, not self manager. This is fully managed. Okay. I hope you got it. Now, this is one thing you know. What is the second option you want to know? Terraform, where we are in? Yeah. Terraform state list. Terraform state list. Specific resource you want to see. Specific resource you want to see. Just I go for here. Here, up arrow, enter, just up arrow, Terraform state list, the specific information, maybe AWS, this one is the resource. Copy it, paste it, and enter it. See, Terraform, that information is there means it is there, that's why it is showing. Maybe sometimes you may get maybe additional information also. Here we are not getting additional information. This resource is there, it is giving clear indication. What is the next one? Here, what it is saying? Only list resources with a given name. See, only list resources with a given name. Given Terraform state MV. Move an item in the state file. Move an item in the state file. Terraform state move. Here, move in the sense just we go for rename. We go for rename. We'll try in this way. Here is up arrow state move. I'm giving just ABC. Just ABC. I'm trying to give like this. Terraform state move, state move, MV. Terraform state move. This is the source. This is the destination. What it is saying? What Terraform state MV. Move an item in the state file. Move an item in the state file. Actually, it will move right. Terraform state MV. Move an item in the state file. Oh, it is giving an error. Just on a strike. Okay. Terraform state MV. Resource specification must include a resource type and name. Resource type and name. What it is saying is, okay, whatever you say is good, but what they're asking here, resource type. What is the resource type? AWS underscore instance, AWS underscore INSTANCE dot ABC. AWS underscore instance dot ABC. Now see, successfully moved one objects. We changed the name. Which name? This is the resource name. Resource name. This is the instance type. This is the AWS underscore instance dot ABC. Resource block, resource type, resource name. This is the resource type. Type must be mandated because of AWS underscore instance is the this is the predefined manager thing. This is the user defined name. Here also we mentioned already user defined name. This one will be converted into this way. This one will be converted into this way. I hope you understood. Here you check it. Here you check it automatically. It is changed. There you need to refresh once again. Save all. Maybe I will go with the save all already there. Right. Here you check it. That is changed or not. That is changed or not. Resource. I think beginning right. AWS underscore. See. AWS underscore instance. ABC. As a common person cannot touch state file, but as a specialist, we can manipulate state information. We can manipulate state information. Here we manage the state information. Now go for next. I hope you got the clarity regarding this one, right? Terraform state M. Move in the sense we are renaming the specific resource. Terraform state RM. Removing a specific resource. Remove a specific resource. You may ask me, when do we use such type of things? Suppose I'm going to MS Paint. This is the again interview question. MS Paint. See, this is the Terraform cloud. This is the Terraform. This is the Terraform. Otherwise, feel it AWS cloud. It is feel it AWS cloud. In AWS cloud, just I created one instance. Take the assumption instance got created. Here instance is created. Again, if I try to rerun my Terraform file, again I may destroy, again I may recreate. What it may happen? Again recreate it, again recreate it. My intention is I don't want to manipulate with Terraform. I want to convert into general resource. I want to convert into general resource. At that time, whatever the resource created, that resource information you may remove from Terraform state file. You may remove from Terraform state file. Assume. I may create already instance got created. Check it. Instance is created or not. instance got created or not. There is AWS, sign to the console. Is it, see, this the instance got created or not? Anyone respond? This one, I don't want to manipulate with Terraform state file. Terraform state don't want to recognize, don't want to remember this information. What I may do is Terraform. Here is, here is. First I may go for Terraform refresh. Terraform refresh. Terraform refresh. Refresh. Terraform refresh. Yes, refresh. After refreshing, again we'll go and check it. Check it, Terraform state file. Is there any modification happen or not? Is there any modification happen or not? Terraform resources managed. Okay, here nothing is changed. Now my intention, I want to exclude Terraform, Terraform state, Terraform state RM, Terraform state RM. Here is AWS there. Now this is removed. Now this is removed. After removing, I may go for Terraform state list. Terraform state list. How many resources are there? Only AWS VPC, my VPC is there. What I may do is Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy. I'm giving confirmation. Yes. How many resources is destroyed? Destroy complete resources. One destroyed. One destroyed. Actually, how many resources I got created? Anyone respond? I created two resources. One is EC2, another one is VPC. Here, which one is destroyed? Only VPC is destroyed. Why only one is destroyed? I excluded. I excluded means I already removed that specific resource from. But what is the advantage here? See, here it is available. This is look like a self-manager. Terraform created resource. You want to convert it into self-managed resource. What you may do? You may exclude from Terraform state file. I hope everybody understood. So they got it or not? So Terraform ద్వారా క్రియేట్ చేసాం రిసోర్స్ని.
Got it.
క్రియేట్ చేసిన క్రియేట్ చేసిన రిసోర్స్ని మనం దాన్ని నార్మల్ రిసోర్స్గా మార్చేసేయాలి. టెరాఫామ్ కెనాట్ హ్యాండిల్. టెరాఫామ్ వై కెనాట్ హ్యాండిల్? TF state file doesn't contain this information. That is the concept. How to exclude? By using remove, by using remove. I removed. That's why it is not handled. I hope you got it. Now I go for,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
okay, good. Terraform stateful. Terraform stateful. This is very, very powerful command. Full current state and output to standard output. What does it mean? I think this is the yesterday concept, not today concept, but I'll try to clarify. Yesterday, this is assume PF state file. This is the local state file. Yes, it is there. This is the local state file. Local state file. Anyone respond? What is the difference between local state file and remote state file? If it is local state file that is available within your laptop, within your computer, this is the local state file. Good. This is the local state. Generally, Generally, if you apply remote state, where it will create anyone respond? Your state file is available where? Your state file, remote state file. Your remote state file is available within S3 bucket. That's what we are giving backend S3. We are giving backend S3. Okay. Your state file is there. What is the advantage? Assume this is your state file. Here admin 1 is there. Here admin 2 is there. Here admin 3 is there. Assume. Admin 1 did something, state file got created. Admin 2 did something, state file is modified. Admin 3 did something, state file is modified. Here, now, his information is different, assume. His information is different, assume. His information different. Are you agree with me or not? First he created, state file is created. Got it or not? Now second time he modified something, he created, again state file got created. Assume only one state file, that is the remote state file. That is the remote copy. Remote copy means only one copy is there. Again he is also modified. Who modified recently? Admin 3. Admin 1 want to get admin 3 modified state file. At that time you go for Terraform state. Observe here Terraform state read. Which one? Terraform state pull. Pull current state and output to standard output. Put current state and output to standard output. Again you may ask a question. File where it is there? In S3 is there. This S3 copy, you want to get it into local. You want to get into your local system. Then only it is useful. Terraform stateful. Here, already we are in the local. We are in the local. There is no difference. But anyway, I am trying to apply the command. You can get the clarity. Just I am going to here. Terraform stateful. If anything modified, that modified content you may get into your local system. That is the advantage of Terraform stateful. Here check result null. Result null means what? I think anyone respond? Result null means what? Nothing is modified. Nothing is modified as it is there. That's why there is no difference. There is no difference. If any difference is there, admin 2 has been modified, assume. At that time, admin has changed that information. You may refresh, you may get it. This is the Terraform stateful. Remote copy, you want to get it into your local system. At that time, you go for Terraform stateful. I hope you understood. Now, Terraform state RM, already you know Terraform stateful, just now I understood. Terraform state push, what does it mean? This local copy you want to send into Terraform state push to S3 bucket if you want to move. Here see duration to retrieve a state lock. What is the problem here? Their backend is not available here. Here that content is you must modify. What you want to do in your original file? In your original file, here you need to change. I'll tell you what are the changes. What are the changes in this versions? In this versions, you need to add backend information. Suppose really you want to store it to backend, assume. What is the modification? Anyone respond? Yesterday we have seen, right? I think Kishore is there, maybe Ramana is there. Here, Terraform. You want to move to within that backend, there S3, there bucket information, there bucket buck bucket is equal to, I think, what is the bucket name? Anyone respond? Bucket name Terraform DevApps or DevApps something? DevApps, which one? What is the bucket name? Have you remembered or not? Here is need to pass bucket name and you will provide key name and you will provide key name. Then final one is the region. Region you need to provide region REGI. Where is region? Spelling mistake. REGI. Where is the region information? Region only, right? REGI. Where is the region word? Why region is not visible here? What was the problem? Yeah, region only, spelling correct only. Anyway, I'm writing here region. REGI. Okay, region information you need to pass. Once you pass this properly, even I'll do it once, you will get the clarity. First, you'll go to AWS. There you need to gather which one? Bucket information. Duplicate. There S3. S3. State pull and push you want to apply. That is right. Now check it here. Our bucket name is there. What is our Terraform DevOps? This is the bucket name. This is the bucket name. Just copy from here. Where is that? Copy from here. Bucket information visible, right? This is bucket information. Copy. Just paste it over here. Yes. Now see, this is slash dev slash terraform terraform dot df stat state. What is the region? Everybody know. AP south hyphen one. AP south one. I am not wrong. It will work. File save as file save as. Once it is over, once it is, whenever you pair Terraform backend, whenever you pair Terraform backend, you must initialize. Here is CLS. What will you do? Terraform, Terraform, Terraform init, 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 hyphen reconfigure, FIGUR. It is something having an error. Key must not start with. Okay, no problem. Control yes. Now once again CLS. Now appare Terraform reconfigure. Everything is fine. No errors. No errors. Command will detect it and remind you to do so if necessary. Okay. Right. Terraform apply directly. I'm doing. Terraform apply. No error. No error. Yes. Once it got created, Terraform state full will work. Terraform state push will work without any error. Now everything is fine. Now Terraform state, state. I think uh, full first. Full. In the same way, Terraform state push. Here, what is the problem? Against the same workspace, data is properly moved or got an error. We'll check it first. Exactly one argument expected. What it is expecting? Terraform state push. Terraform state push. When expecting one argument, hyphen help. Against the workspace, hyphen lockout. Duration to retrieve a state log. What it is expecting? Terraform state push. Write the state even if in lineages don't match character. Remote serial is higher. Remote serial is higher. Okay. Duration is first what I may do. Terraform state. Here I may remove. We'll try it. What happens? Now I go for Terraform stateful. After I may save this. Save all. Now I go for Terraform stateful. Here Terraform state file got created or not? We'll check it first. Terraform state information. Refresh it. File. Where is the refresh option? Is there or not? No. You go for F12. Find Terraform extensions. Nothing is visible here. Now Terraform state. Backup okay. Here same state file is there. Same state file is there. Okay, good. I'm going to Terraform stateful properly work, I think. Now Terraform state push PUS. Now I'll go for take the help of internet. Terraform state push problem, right? Terraform, Terraform state push example. Terraform state push. So you need to provide that file name. You need to specify that file name. Okay, good. Here, is there any? I think I deleted, right? I think I deleted. When will you get that one? We'll go for Terraform apply. Once Terraform apply. Now check it. Where is that file? Where is that file? Then I may delete this. Now you try it for Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Terraform state full. Terraform state full. That file is available within S3. Within S3. That is available within S3. S3 copy you want to get into your local system. Your local system. Here see Terraform state is there. Terraform state is there. Now this one I want to push. Terraform. Terraform state. You want to do push. PUSS push space. Which one you want to modify? Terraform.tf state. Terraform.tf state state. I think spelling correct, right? TERRAF Terraform state. Now open Terraform.tf state. The system cannot find the file specified. I think this name is correct or not? Correct only, right? Open Terraform.tf state. The system cannot find the file specified. Terraform state push TRRAFORM Terraform.tf state. What they give an example? Where is that example? This one. Example. Enter it. Anything. Command Terraform state push. Terraform state push example. Command state push. Terraform state push. Terraform state pull. Okay. Terraform state push for the the state may then be manipulated and subsequently upload using the following command. The following is the updated state file. is the updated state file. Terraform state push state file dot JSON. State file dot JSON. We'll try in this way. Terraform state push and Terraform push. Terraform push is deprecated and does not operate in the current version of TFU. These commands are not working properly. They given information. Anyway, I'll refer it once again. Check it. I tell you that normally it will work. In previous batches, I explained this one. Actually worked also. But now this is not work. I think someone is trying to join. Yes. Now, what is the next command according to cheat sheet? Go for here. Uh, Now, Terraform state push. What does it mean? Update remote state from a local state file. Any modification done in local state file that will be moved to remote state file. I think we removed one resource. That resource is again moving to in Terraform remote state file. A Terraform state show AWS. Maybe we have seen this one. Terraform state show. Now I give you the clarity. Here see Terraform state advantage is Terraform state list. First check it how many resources are there. Only one their AWS instance this one. Suppose this information you want to see. This clear information you want to see. Terraform state show Terraform state show that resource information you want to see. See here, what does it mean? You created one resource that full length information. Okay, device name, DEV, XVDA. This is the volume related information. Volume related information. There clear information. You want to get it. Volume size 8 GB. Volume type. Full fledged information. As a real time developer, they need to see someone did something. That information you want to know it, you can go for Terraform stored state show. Why? Here if I click on here, suppose see here some hundreds of lines are there. See total here 53 lines are there. This is in this I want to see my specific information. Maybe I may found, I may not found. Simply I am going here. I am applying state Terraform state list first. Terraform here Terraform CLS Control C CLS first Terraform, Terraform state list. Terraform state list. It will show all the resources information. From that, you may take specific resource name. There Terraform, Terraform state show that in that specific resource related details. That specific related resource details. This is the my VPC related information. My VPC related information. This is instance tenancy. The same way, instance name. Here is the CADR block. We given 1.2.7, 1.2.0.0 by 24, 256 possible host type is we may get it here because of 32 minus 24, 2 power 8, 2 power 8 means 256, 256 minus 5 means 251 possible IPs it may generate. I hope you got the clarity. Now, Terraform state refresh. I said right. Terraform state refresh in the sense if anything modification happens in between remote file and local file, that difference will be removed and also automatically it is updated. Which is updated? Your local state file will be updated with the help of Terraform refresh. That is very important. Terraform refresh. refresh. When it is very useful, when it is very useful, something has been modified in Terraform. What about within the cloud? Within the cloud, if you do some changes in the cloud, that cloud information you may get into your local system. What they given? See, show the they didn't give their information is the refreshing your local copy based on your cloud resources. In cloud resources, assume manually something modified, that modification also you want to get it into that local file. I think you got the clarity. Now today we'll see one more concept, that is terraform workspace. Terraform workspace. Yeah, this is one type of logical concept. I think already some people know at least Kubernetes, right? Already Kubernetes. Maybe I am asking one or two questions. You try to give the answer. Based on that, I continue my concept. According to Kubernetes, is it a cluster as well? Yes. Are you agree with me or not? This is the cluster. Now, my question, what is a cluster according to Kubernetes? Anyone respond? CLUST, cluster. What is a cluster? A cluster is a group of nodes. Maybe worker nodes and as well as what is that? What is that? Worker
Pods.
manager combination. Got it or not? Is the control plane. You know, right? Master node, worker nodes combination. My question according to Kubernetes, what are these? We can easily answer it. According to Kubernetes, I am specifically trying four things only. Because of Kubernetes also knows only four by default. Only four by default. For your clarification, I am giving clue. This is
namespaces.
namespaces. Namespace one, namespace two. Got it or not?
Yeah.
My question is, what is namespace? Anyone try to give me the answer? What is namespace? A cluster inside a cluster is nothing but namespace. A cluster inside a cluster is nothing but namespace. Namespaces are logical. Namespaces are logical. Namespaces are independent. Namespace 1 not dependent on namespace 2. Namespace 2 not dependent on namespace 3. These are independent logical groups. This is the logical group. Assume here, what is the advantage of this in the sense? Same concept from Terraform. Here they are working. See, this is assume dev namespace. Shall I use like that? Development namespace. Here is nothing but QA namespace. QA namespace. QANS. Here I may go for stage. Stage NS. Here I may go for PRODNS. Are you agree with me? PRODNS. Here I am creating namespace 1, namespace 2, namespace 3, namespace 4 assume. In this namespace, I am creating one EC2 assume. One EC2 with the T2 micro. Here I am creating one namespace with one EC2 with EC2, EC2, T2, T2 medium. Here I want to create one EC2, T2 micro. T2, already micro is there, right? T2, anyone tell me? Micro use, medium use, X large, X large. Maybe here some other T3, T3, medium, T3, medium. Such type of requirement is required or not? Please respond anyone. In real time, such type of requirements are needed or not? Application is same. Maybe Java web app. Here also same Java web app. There is no modification. Java Web App. Here also Java Web App. Why do we go for different namespaces with the different EC2 types? See, in development, maybe 10 members may work. Are you agree with me? Maybe 10 members. In QA, only 5 members may work. 5 members may work. In staging, 100 members may use. But in production, 1 million people, maybe 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 lakhs people may use. 10 lakhs people may use. I think maybe correct by 10 lakhs. At that time, you need to change your resource type. You need to change your resource. Same scenario, we may apply in Terraform. See, these resources we are doing manually. We are doing manually. In generally, what we are doing in Kubernetes cluster, we are creating automatic cluster is creating. Anyone respond? Who is creating a cluster? Who is creating a cluster? Even though it is fully managed, even though it is fully managed clusters, cluster is creating with the help of Terraform only. Terraform only. At the end of Terraform, I'll go with look like one project because of we know KATS and we know Terraform. I may go with combination. I'll show you what is the use of this concept. Which concept? Here cheat sheet Terraform workspace concept. Terraform workspace. See, very first one. Terraform workspace list I may show. First, I am not used directly. I am using Terraform workspace. Till now, I didn't use any command. CLS Terraform workspace list. What it is showing? Terraform has no command. Spelling mistake. I think spelling mistake. W or the workspace. You may get only one default. Check it here. See, what is the workspace here? What is the workspace here? By default, you may get default workspace. Even tell me in Kubernetes, what is the default namespace name? Anyone respond? My question having the answer. What is the Kubernetes default namespace name? I think everybody know Kubernetes. I think your seniors are there. Maybe my batches got attended. I think one or two batches in Kubernetes batches. What are the namespaces in Kubernetes? Default namespace is there. Default. Kube system is there. Kube system. Kube node lease. Kube public. These are only four namespaces are there. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Default, cube system, cube, maybe cube node lease or cube lease node. Cube node lease only, I think. Cube public. These are the default namespaces. Default namespaces. That's why here also they given from this only they are creating. This is the default workspace here. They were calling namespace. From Terraform only, here you got it. This is the default. Here also default is there, right? You want to create your own namespace. You want to create your own namespace. What is the command here they given? See, Terraform, workspace, new. Terraform, workspace, new. I may go with new name. Terraform, workspace, new name. Again, CLS, observe here, Terraform workspace new. I'm creating DevOps is the new workspace. They're technically in Kubernetes namespace. Here is workspace. This workspace is converted into their namespace. I hope you got it. Now check it. Terraform workspace, Terraform workspace list. DevOps got created or not? Whatever you created recently, that is the current one. That is the current. You don't want this DevOps. Again, you want to move to default. You want to move to default. You need to apply this command. Terraform, Terraform, workspace select. Terraform, workspace select. Which one you want it? We can set it. Terraform workspace, workspace, workspace select. Select which one you want to select? Default one such. DFAUL. DFAUL. Now you want to see Terraform state list. Star is modified. Star will change. Wherever star is there, that is the default workspace. See, you want to convert from one workspace, you want to move from one workspace to another workspace. Technical word I am using. If you want to go for context switching means switching from one workspace to another workspace. What is the command? Terraform workspace, Terraform workspace select command. Terraform workspace select command. You want to see all Terraform workspace list. Terraform workspace list already in. Got it or not? You want to remove Terraform workspace, Terraform workspace delete. Terraform workspace delete. Terraform workspace delete. Which one you want to delete? Delete. I don't want to delete default. I want to delete DevOps. I want to delete DevOps. See, what is the advantage of workspaces? What is the advantage of workspace? See, internally what happens in the sense, internally what happens in this assume is the memory. This is the memory. Here, according to this, generally we may create one state file here. I think everybody know. Terraform, Terraform dot tf state file. State. For this total area, we are creating only one state file. This area is nothing but workspace. What is the workspace name here? This is the default workspace. It is treating like this. DFAULT default workspace. What I am doing is I am removing this. I am removing this. I am divided into three logical groups. Three logical groups. This is logical group 1. This is logical group 2. Each logical group I am considering as hey, this is the default. This is my dev. This is my test. Is it good or not? For a default, maybe common people may use. Only developers may use this workspace. Developers may use this workspace. Here I am creating one instance. Here I am creating one instance. What is the instance? EC2 instance with T2, T2 medium or T2 micro. T2 micro. Here I may create one workspace. You want to test, right? We need extra additional resource. I am creating EC2 with the T2, T2 medium, T2 medium. You want to see it? I'll show you. Medium. Got it or not? Here I am creating one EC2. Here I am creating one EC2. Two resources I am creating. Once you enter into this, you may use this one. You may enter into this, you may see this one. This is one logical group. These two are independent groups. Here, some developers may work with this. Here, assume developer one, developer two, developer three. These three members can access internally, but externally, no one can view that one. They may access only this one, this area. From this area, they can access. Suppose here only I am taking two testers. Two testers. They will test on this environment. On this environment. But technical word is they are working on this workspace. They are working on this workspace. These two people are working on this workspace. Now quickly I am going to show you the names list. Evening session, we'll see practical examples on this. What is the command C? Terraform, Terraform. What is that? Workspace, Terraform, workspace, workspace list. Terraform workspace list. In the same way, Terraform workspace show right Terraform. I mean copy paste it because of same thing. At last word only I'll change. Copy Control C. Here is Terraform workspace. Show next Terraform workspace. RM is there. RM is there. Terraform workspace. New is there. Terraform workspace. Any other new command? Terraform workspace new. Terraform workspace selector. Selector. I think you know purpose of selector. SELECT. Select. Show is there or not? Yes, show is there. Terraform workspace delete. Am I user delete? This RM is nothing but delete. Delete. Only five command, check it. Only five or any other is there. Six. New is there, select is there, list is there, show is there, delete is there. Delete an empty workspace. Delete an empty Terraform workspace delete. Terraform workspace delete. After this, you need to give the name. You need to give the name. Show the name of the current workspace. Terraform workspace show. Terraform workspace show. You need to just no need to specify any name. Automatically it will get it. Terraform workspace delete means you need to delete. You need to give the workspace name. You need to give the workspace name. Everybody understood or not? Tell me. If I want to apply this, I need to write the code right. Here only 4 minutes are there. Maybe today evening at 8 to 9 class, we may work on this only. Full-fledged clarity, we may get it on Terraform workspace. What is the advantage here? No need to go with three prompts. No need to go with three prompts. This is the very simple answer. Generally, here I may try to open here three different what is that? This applications. I don't want to go. Generally, we may go Windows key or CMD. There, this is one prompt. Again, we'll go for CMD, one more prompt. Again, we go for in this way. Generally, people may work with. You don't want to go three different prompts. Only within a prompt, you may get it three different logical groups. Logical groups. Each logical group is nothing but workspace. Workspace one cannot identified by some other people. Workspace two. Workspace two people cannot identify workspace one. Whatever we allotted, only that workspace they can access. Within single area, we may get just tab control. Just tab control. Generally, I may go with the MS Paint, Windows Kia. I think everybody know this process. Or I may go with Open Windows Kia Windows. You may see clarity. You may get the clarity. See here, observe carefully. Here I clicked home. I may go to insert. Can you able to view home related information? Anyone respond? If I click insert, only insert related groups are visible. If I click on home, home related groups are visible. If I click on what references, can I see instance related? Can I see home related? No. Within one page, multiple tabs are there. In the same way, within one Terraform, multiple workspaces we can create. Generally, you may work with any one workspace. If you want to create, we can create multiple workspaces. We can move from one workspace to another workspace, that is known as context switch is possible. We can easily handle multiple workspaces. But final conclusion, what they given in technical scenario, don't go for multiple workspaces. Don't go for multiple workspaces. Terraform will feel a burden. That is not good processor. In real time, you may not create multiple workspaces. You may create one or two only. But what they are saying, don't go with more and more workspaces. That may be difficult to work with. That is their intention. That is the final conclusion. But if you want to work with, you can work with multiple workspace means logical group. Logical group. We can handle multiple logical groups by using one Terraform. Is it clear for you? Today evening, 8 to 9 again class is there. Try to attend. We may finish all the Terraform workspace related examples. Okay, thank you. If any doubt is there, ask me. Otherwise, we may wait. Anybody having any doubt? I think yesterday evening session I didn't send for it. Already I provided evening session. Yesterday night, 8 to 9. Did I send? No, right? Yesterday evening, class. So there. Did I add it into our WhatsApp group? No, right?
Not sending.
Oh, okay. This
No,
session
sir, not.
and okay, both sessions you will get it within 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I wind this?
Okay, sir.